Alrighty, y'all. Little update on the YZ450. Um, these are the original tires that I had from when I first purchased the bike. I believe I purchased the bike back in 2016 or maybe 17. Um, these wheels, they've been holding up for some time actually. These were, they didn't have a lot of meat on them when I first bought them, but they lasted me all of these years. They served their purpose. Um, these are the new tires that I'm putting on today. Um, and if y'all got any questions, just ask. But these bead lock rims. I had people ask me in the past where did I get them from, and it's this website called Unhinged ATV. I'll go ahead and tag the link down in the description, but it's called Unhinged ATV, and let me see, I purchased them, probably around a little bit after I purchased the bike, because I always wanted the bead. I like the bead lock look, and I always wanted some bead lock rims. And I got them for a nice affordable price. I actually purchased these on Black Friday, so I believe I got them for around a full set, maybe 260, between 250 and 270. Yeah, it was a good purchase for me. I got the full set. I'll do a video on these later, but this yellow that I have, it actually wasn't this color yellow. I had the actual rings powder coated on the rims. So I'll do a video on that. The bike was actually a different color when I first purchased it. It was black and gray, so I went with the color theme of black and yellow. But y'all stay tuned. I'll give y'all an update here shortly. Yeah, Freedom Power Sports. Come to get these swapped out. Old daddies, new meat, big meat. All new 2020 joints. Man, that bad boy nice. I don't know, y'all. I've been riding four-wheelers for a long time. I always wanted to ride a 450 dirt bike. Never got the chance to. Been thinking about purchasing one. Let me know what y'all think. What's the benefits from a quad to a dirt bike? Yes, sir. Wrap is looking good. Don't want to know what that fuel injector like. Not open. What y'all think about the 2027? Y'all can leave in the comments below what y'all heard about them. I haven't heard too much about them, but I'm pretty sure they're not bad bikes. Pretty nice looking bike right here.
What kind of looking for? You looking for mud, trail, earth, looking at everything?
Alright, the wait is finally over. Got the new tires on. As you can see, they look nice and aggressive. A lot more tread than what I originally had. I got a good deal on these tires, I feel. I haven't got a chance to test drive yet. It's pretty cold where I'm at right now, so I'm gonna wait till it warm up a little bit. But these tires were purchased from motorsport.com. I'll go ahead and place a brief description on why I purchased the tires, just in case anybody else is interested. The bike is a little dirty right now, I ain't gonna lie, but I'll clean it up when I get some time. But just wanted to give y'all a quick little update of what it's looking like with the tires. I like the look on these. It's a nice aggressive. This was a good purchase. Yeah, this is my 2012 YFZ 450. I can do a whole story on this bike. Not in this video, maybe another video. I can do another one for y'all, let y'all know the story on it. But the bike is running strong, man. Eventually I'm gonna need some new back tires too, as y'all can see. Do a lot of wheeling, but the front tires was for sure needed to be updated. I like it.